Hey everyone, welcome to a brand new video of Motorcycle Garage. Now whenever riders go for a ride, we feel they face storage issues at all times. Now the riders carry a lot of accessories and they require a place to store all these accessories. So for this, we have a solution. So let's start the video after the intro. Now welcome back to the video guys. In this one, let's review this fantastic useful product from Quipco called the Easy Waste Pouch. Now when you ride, you need to take your motor docks, phone, water bottle and all sorts of accessories with you. The problem is most of the riders keep them backpack, jacket or pant pockets. All this is fine, you can keep the products anywhere you want, but there are few issues that occur due to this when you ride. First, when you put your products in a bag, it leads to space issues, and eventually with improper storage, the riders are not able to concentrate on their ride as they feel the bulky nature of these accessories all the time. Second, there is an access to these accessories which becomes really difficult. Whenever you require these products, you need to always bend down or bend up to access your products. So these issues may look petty in nature because these are small storage issues, but not to worry, we have a simple yet brilliant solution for all you guys, and that solution is this Easy Pouch. To keep all sorts of gears and accessories in one place, we have this incredible high quality pouch from Quipco. Now looking at the pouch, a lot of people may wonder what kind of rider uses a pouch nowadays and why do we need this additional accessory. So if you are one of the riders, let us tell you the usefulness of this product. So first of all, it is small, lightweight and compact. It is easy to attach and carry everywhere. The next useful feature of this pouch is it has plenty of space. You can keep your docks, phone, tools, water bottle and all sorts of accessories in a clutter-free manner. This pouch has pockets for everything, so you don't need to feel bulky and clunky when you ride. It also has a separate money compartment as well. The pouch can be wrapped around the waist while riding and it provides easy access to the accessories. Another one of the features is high quality build. Now the pouch has zippers made of bar tag tapes, keeping your essentials safely locked in at all times. The pouch is also made up of high quality material. It also has reflective tape for better visibility and it can easily fit around 30 to 46 inch waist size. So basically, yes, in hindsight, we know pouches have become a thing of past, but if you understand or get the practicality of this product, it can be really helpful for riders in a lot of situations when you ride. The simple pouch will make your ride and clutter-free experience, and that's the way you want it to be. Here is a list of features to remind you the useful nature of the pouch. So check this pouch out. The link is in the description. You can buy this from us. There are a few left, so hurry up, check out the details, click on the buy button and go for the pouch. Now with this we end our video. Ride safe, always wear protective gear and ride everywhere. Like, share and subscribe to the video. See you in the next one. Till then, goodbye from us.